Give me the damn folder, Edie! It's worthless to you!
Oh, you and Carlos are screwed without it, and that is worth a lot to me.
Give me my money!
Ah, your money? Carlos embezzled it!
Oh, now you're moral all of a sudden? You didn't care where the money was coming from when you thought Carlos was gonna spend it on you.
Okay, I'm not unreasonable. Cut me in for, say, 60%, and I'll go away. How's that sound? I think we can both fit.
Oh, you just threw my money in a tornado. I am not getting in there with you.
Fine! Then stay out here and die. Move your ass! Ow!
Come on, Sylvia. Please open the door. Sylvia! Thank God you're here. We need to get into the bathroom.
We can't. There's a woman in there.
Well, tell her to hurry it up.
No, she's barricaded herself in there.
She's a patient of mine who's had a little meltdown. Just give me 5 minutes. We don't have time. There's a funnel cloud out there.
Sylvia! Open the damn door.
Go to hell!
Quick, in here. In here. Quick, quick.
Here I am! Get in! Get in! Get in! Hang on to this! Can I say something?
What?
I'm sorry Carlos and I lied to you. I know we hurt you, and I wish it didn't happen the way it did. And I just want you to know that.
Why are you talking like that?
Well, I thought just in case we...
Oh, no, you don't. You just shut the hell up. We're not doing deathbed confessions here. We're gonna get through this. I'm gonna go on hating you for years to come.
You really hate me?
Yes. No. It's just that I really let myself fall for him. Which was stupid because I always knew that he'd go back to you.
I'm so sorry, though.
I said, shut the hell up.